Hello everyone and welcome again to Brewster's Developer Users Groups, and this is video number 15. This is going to be a short video and we are going to learn how to use SciPy and Matplotlib for a simple regression bivariate analysis. So, the first thing we have to do is to import the libraries that we want to use. Okay, that works fine. The second thing is we are going to load the dataset. For this example, we are going to use the brain data that we used already in the past. So brain data has a head size and brain weight. And we want to know if those variables correlate by using a linear regression. So for that, we are going to use the SciPy library using stats.linear regression, and the first parameter we pass the head size, and on the second parameter we pass the brain weight. And that will return three values: the slope, the intercept, and the R value. So those values are important because we need them for the linear regression, for plotting. So we can see the R value 0.63, the slope 0.26, intercept through 325.57. So don't worry for this video of what these values mean. We'll explain that in future videos, but what I really want to show here is the plot. So we are going to plot the head size, the brain weight in a simple chart, and at the same time we are going to plot a line which represents the relationship between those two values. And here we go. So we have brain weight, head size, and the data points. And as you can see, the data points follow a direction. So there are some that are too far, too high, or too on the right, or too on the left. But anyway, there is a trend. So the bigger the head size, the bigger the brain weight, which means that if we want to make a prediction in the future, we will be certain and we will have a high probability given a head size that the brain weight will be close to this line. And that's basically it. So this is just an analysis. We are not predicting just yet. In the future videos, we are going to learn how to do it. I hope you find this video informative. This is video number 15. And we are still missing like 10 videos more for this series. See you in the next one.